Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TurboTax Canada. First, select the TurboTax version that best suits your needs, whether it's for simple returns or more complex situations with investments or self-employment income. Next, ensure you have all your essential tax documents ready, such as T4 slips, medical receipts, and any other relevant forms. Finally, create a new account or log in to your existing one to start your tax return process smoothly. Once logged in, you'll begin by entering your personal information, ensuring all details are correct for accurate filing. Then, proceed to input all your income sources. This includes employment income from T4 slips, investment income, and any other earnings you received. Don't forget to add any eligible deductions and credits, like RRSP contributions or medical expenses, to help lower your overall taxable income. After entering all your data, take time to thoroughly review your entire tax return. Double-check for any errors or omissions to ensure everything is accurate. TurboTax will help you identify potential deductions or credits you might have overlooked, maximizing your refund or minimizing your balance owing. Make sure all the information entered precisely matches your official tax documents. With your return finalized and reviewed, you're ready to file electronically with the Canada Revenue Agency. TurboTax guides you through this secure process. Next, select how you'd like to receive any refund, typically via direct deposit for speed and convenience. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Finally, keep a copy of your filed return and supporting documents for at least 6 years, just in case you need them later.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.